Hi lovers and friends, I'm so happy you're here. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking, and then to my old subscribers, thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to preserve your tomatoes and pepper for a long time, like 3 months to 6 months. So what I'm doing here, I'm just washing the tomatoes thoroughly, tomatoes, pepper, and red bell pepper that we call tatase. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. So guys, after blending, I place my pot on the gas and then put the tomato paste on the gas to get boiled till all the water in the tomatoes is drained or dried up. But I also get to add a bit of salt. Just the salt serves as a preservative too, so I add a bit of salt and then I leave it to boil till the whole water in the tomatoes and pepper is totally dried out. So for preserving, we'll be using a bottled can. We don't need plastic, it has to be bottled. So I boil the can in hot water to get rid of any form of germs, and then after that I transfer the boiled tomatoes into the can and cover tightly. After covering tightly, I still get to boil the tomatoes. While in the bottled can, I boil it in water for a bit, or you can just boil hot water and then put it in to just get heated a bit, and then you keep it on your counter. That's basically it. You keep it wherever you want to keep it, and then it can last for 3 to 6 months or even more.
So guys, this is what it still looks like after 1 week. I did not get to store it in a bottle or anything. I just left it in the pot, sprinkled some salt on it, and then this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Still fresh, still fine. It's still very okay. After 1 week, this is what it looks like.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment and share, and I'll see you all in my next one. But for now, bye.